Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all the viruses from your iPhone. So guys, if you want to delete all the viruses, you have to simply open your settings first and then scroll it below, go to apps and then scroll it below, and from here go to Safari, scroll it below all the way and tap on clear history and website data, and clear history and website data of your iPhone for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply go to your files from here, and then you have to go to different folders from here, and then you have to simply delete all the folders from here which are useless for you. So guys, you have to simply delete all the useless folders from here as well in order to delete the viruses from your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to App Store and then search for virus cleaner. So guys, you have to simply search for virus cleaner, and from here you can get different antivirus applications. So guys, here you can see iPhone cleaner. You have to simply get this iPhone cleaner or the virus protect app from here. So guys, you have to simply get this app, and after this, with the help of this app, you will be able to delete all the viruses from your iPhone very easily. So guys, you can see this, you can easily clear or clean your phone with this app. So guys, in this way you can also clear history or viruses from your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.